Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to autosave your chats on Snapchat. So for that, first of all you will need to open your Snapchat application. Now select the chats icon which is on the bottom side. Now here you need to select any chat. Let's go with this one. Now send a message to them. So there are two ways to autosave your chats on Snapchat. The first one is to tap and hold on the text that you have sent to someone, and here you can see the first option which says save in chat. So you can select this option so that you can save your chat on Snapchat. Now the second option is that you need to select on the name of the person that you are sending your text messages. Now select this three dot icon which is on the top right corner. Now select chat and notification settings. Now here you can see the option called delete chats. Now select on it and select on 24 hours after viewing. Now your chats will be saved on Snapchat, but they will disappear after 24 hours after viewing. So that's how you guys can autosave your chats on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.